Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up LB-Link BL-RE300 Wi-Fi range extender. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for all over your home, then this LB-Link setup is one of the best solution. The LB-Link BL-RE300 Wi-Fi range extender is a compact device designed to boost your existing Wi-Fi coverage and eliminate dead zones. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, insert the BL-RE300 into a wall socket near your Wi-Fi router. Wait until the power LED becomes stable. On your phone, laptop, or PC, open the Wi-Fi settings. Look for a network name like LB-Link XXXX, default SSID of the extender. Connect to it. No password may be required at this stage. Open any web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox. In the address bar, type 192.168.16.254 and press Enter. You will see the LB-Link extender login page. Default credentials are usually, username is admin and password is also admin. Enter and click Login. Once inside the dashboard, select Repeater/Extender mode. Click on Next/Setup Wizard to begin configuration. The extender will search for nearby wireless networks. A list of available Wi-Fi names, SIDs, will appear. Select your main Wi-Fi router's network, the one you want to extend. Enter your router's Wi-Fi password carefully. Make sure it is correct, otherwise, the extender won't connect. Click Apply/Save. The extender will reboot automatically to apply the new setting. Unplug the extender and move it to a location midway between your router and the weak signal area. Make sure the signal indicator LED is strong/stable, not red or blinking. Now your LB-Link BL-RE300 Wi-Fi range extender is fully set up in manual mode. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.